talk about the importance of sunscreen. Even if you are not going out, you are inside at your home, the sunscreen must be applied to your skin. It's a very wrong conception that if you are not going out, you don't need your sunscreen, but you must apply the sunscreen. And the SPF of sunscreen is very important. At least SPF 30 is needed, and you have to reapply the sunscreen. Ideally every 2 to 3 hours is the ideal time when you will reapply the sunscreen, but after 4 hours you can reapply during the daytime. And the proper amount is also important, that if you take very little amount, it will of no use. So proper amount you have to apply all of the face, neck, and ideally all the sun exposed part. And it is not a luxury, it's very much needed. Particularly it can prevent the skin cancer, though it is not skin cancer is not very much common in our country, but still some person has skin allergy and some pigmentation issues, melasma, and other photoaggravated disease. For them the sunscreen is very much must. It must be applied to your skin. And also you have to protect your body overall by the use of umbrella hat like that, and take a proper amount of fluid. Take at least 2 to 3 liters of water should be taken, and take lots of fruits.